We are the creators of LEOU-TV.
My name is Nini.
I'm Andrea.
I'm Mika. Pollution is a constant problem in the world. Contamination of food and water worsens human health. Even today, the untreated sewage of water from settlements as well as the safe water from factories, which is contaminated with toxic chemical substances and waste, flows into the rivers and seas. Since the water problem is very important, we want to create a tool that could help people determine the purity of water. While working on our project, we came up with the idea that made us decide to create a kit that would include not only water purity meter, but also two other tools, which are food safety tester and leak detector. Our kit was only help people gather information about the safety of water they drink, but also help them determine if paint and food around them are toxic and contain heavy metals. Our team is actively working with State Laboratory of Agriculture, ROS, the source of necessary materials and equipment, access to deep microbiology knowledge, a great opportunity for development, educate people easier about the topic and the product, a bigger chance to improve the product in the future, a source of high quality materials.
Hello, we are at the State Laboratory of Agriculture and we are going to show you our work process.
So now we are going to enter the laboratory and do some experiments.
Now we will do an experiment which will help us determine heavy metals in water. So what I have here is contaminated water and some sodium sulfide. And for this experiment, I will need to take some cotton ball, put it into the contaminated water, and they will help me to put some sodium sulfide on it. As you can see, it turned black. So this means it has heavy metals in it.
After doing the experiment on spices, we got the same result. Let me show you the cotton. As you can see, spices turned black, which means they contain heavy metals. We did the same experiment using sodium sulfide, but on food, like sausage and spices. Let's see what happens to sausage when we add sodium sulfide to it. Please. There, you can already see reaction going. Let me show you. Here, as you can see, sausage turned black. That means it contains heavy metals.
Now we are going to do our sieve experiment on contaminated water, and we're going to use a red regular laser to see little cells in the contaminated water.
Each one of these tiny epithelial cells is about 30 micrometers across, and using the laser we've managed to project up their shadow onto the screen.
We already have plans of implementing all of this into our tool. The idea for water purity meter is to create a rod which should have laser in one end. All we have to do is drop a water droplet in other end, and as soon as laser beam goes through the droplet, we will see an image of unicellular organisms. If unicellular organisms are present, then the water is contaminated and it's not safe to drink. Otherwise, we are good to go. Rod is reusable and batteries are replaceable. Manufacturing. For water purity meter, we will need plastic case, class 2 laser, and 1 cm lens. Manufacturing price will be $4. As for food safety tester, we will need plastic case, capsule for sodium sulfide, and sodium sulfide 10 ml. Manufacturing price will be $5. For leak detector, we will need plastic case, capsule for sodium sulfide, capsule for water, and inner mechanism for mixing water with paint. Manufacturing price will be $8. We will sell water purity meter for $6, food tester for $7, and leak detector for $12. We can sell each tool separately or sell whole kit for $21.
Average net profit margin. Average NPM per rod it will be 31.74%, for food rod it will be 28.57%, for water and lead rod it will be 33.33%. Average profit per rod it will be 47%, and average profit per kit it will be 23%. We conducted a survey with 50 people, and it turns out that ages between 18 to 25 were somewhat interested and they would purchase it depending on the price. And ages between 25 and 50 were very interested and they would purchase it no matter what. And lastly, the ages between 50 and 65 were neutral to this and they wouldn't really purchase it. Our action plan consists of 3 stages. First stage, so stay in touch with SLA team in order to develop our food safety meter and also leak detector. Second, continue to work on water purity meter to improve the quality. Third, conduct more surveys about tool and its popularity. And fourth, conduct financial plan. And lastly, raise awareness in people via social media and occasional events. Stage 2. Finish working on food safety meter and leak detector tools. Second, finish manufacturing the kit. Third, run tests on existing product. Fourth, establish financial goals. And fifth, recruit sales team. And lastly, stage 3. Launch the product. Conduct user feedback to improve the quality of our product. Third, recruit more workers. Fourth, slowly start producing the product in other laboratories. And fifth, the last, refine marketing strategy.